Good morning, students. Today I will teach you about operations on large number. How we can add, subtract, multiply and divide large numbers. As you have studied in your previous class that how we can add, subtract, multiply and divide smaller numbers. The method is same. As we add, subtract, multiply and divide smaller numbers, the same way we have to do in large numbers. We'll explain this through some sums. So the first question is, find the following sums. Sums means that you have to add the numbers. Here 3 numbers are there and these are the large numbers. So first we will write the first number. Then how you have to write the numbers. Whenever you are writing this number should start from ones. For example 6. First you will be writing 6. Then tens place 5. Then 100 place 8. Then 1000 place 1. Then 10,000 place 9, then lakh place 4 and then 10 lakh place 7. Same way you have to write these both digits also. Same 2 on ones place, 6 on tens place, 100 on 5 on 100 place, 7 on 1000 place, 2 10,000 place, 8 lakh place, 6 10 lakh place and 5 crore place. Now similarly, as you know that how we can add the number. First we will add these 3. 6 plus 2 plus 1 9. Then we will add these 3 digits. 5 plus 6 plus 8 19. 9 and 1 goes carry. Then we will add 8 5 3 plus this carry also 17. 7 1 will be carried. Then 7 1 and this carry also we will get 16. Same 1 will be carried. Then 9 plus 1 10, 15 and 17. 1 carry. Then 8 4 1 and 3 16. Then 6 and 1 carry. Then 7 and 1 8, 8 and 6 14, 1 carry. Similarly we can add and we can get the answer. There is no change. How you are adding the smaller numbers, the same way you have to add the larger numbers. Similarly, now here are the 5 numbers. Same way you can write first digit according to the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Similar way you can write this also. Just kept one thing in mind. Just start the number from back side. For example 5. First you will be writing 5. Then 0. Then 9. Then again 9. Then 1. Then you can add this number. As I explained earlier. First you will be adding these all numbers. Then you will be adding these all numbers. Then this. First this line. Then this. Then this. Similar way you can add and you can get the answers. Next, how we can subtract larger number. So subtract this number from this. From means you have to subtract from this. So what is the number? 21 crore 51 lakh 65,821 and this is 8 crore 76 lakh 28,793. Similar you can subtract this. So 1. So 1 is smaller than 3. So what you can do? You will take carry from here. So it will be here 11 and here will remain 1. You will subtract 3 from 11. We will get 8. Again we will take carry because 1 is smaller than 9. Then we will subtract 11 from 9. We will get 2. Then here 7, both are equal, so 7 minus 7, 0. Then 5 is smaller than 8. We will take carry. Then 15 minus 8, 7. then 5 is remaining here, so 5 is greater than 2, so 5 minus 2, 3. Again 1 is smaller than 6, so we will take carry. 11 minus 6, 5. Then remains 4, so again 4 is smaller than 7, we will take carry. 14 minus 7, we will get 7. Then again 0 is smaller than 8, we will take carry. 10 minus 8, 2, and the 1 is remained, we will write here. Now how we can simplify? Up to now you have seen, or you have simplified the smaller number, but now how we can simplify the larger number? As you know very well that there is one rule for simplify, BODMAS. Here only addition and subtraction is given, so first you will add, then you will subtract. One more thing, this number is positive, sign should be seen before the number. No sign is there, so this number is positive. Before this number negative sign is there, so this number is negative. Before this number negative sign is there, so this number is negative. Before this number positive sign is there, so this number is positive. So which are the positive number? This and this. So what you will do? First you will add both the positive numbers, then you will add both the negative numbers, and then you will subtract this negative number from positive number. We'll explain this. See, these both are the positive numbers. So as I have explained before, similarly you can add both these numbers. These are the negative numbers, so you can add these both negative numbers. Yes or no? Now you can subtract this negative number from this positive number and you will get the answer. Next, this is the positive number, this is negative number, this is also negative number, this is also negative number. So there are 3 negative numbers and 1 positive number. So what you will do? First you will add all the 3 negative numbers. Yes. Then you will subtract this negative number from this positive number and you will get the answer. We'll explain once again. First, I have told you that the sign will be before the number. So these 3 are the negative numbers. So first you will add this negative number, as simplify you have to do. Then you will subtract this negative number from this positive number. Now next, how you can multiply the larger number. Up to now maybe you have multiplied only smaller number. As you are very well aware about how to multiply, divide, add, subtract, we'll explain once again. So you have to multiply 5,86,328 by 2,387. So as you know very well, first this 7 will be multiplied by this number, we will get this number. Then this 8 will be multiplied by this number, then we will get this number. First we will put one cross sign. Then third step, we will put 2 cross sign and we will multiply 3 by this number, we will get this number. Next we will put 3 cross and we will multiply this 2 by this number, we will get this number, and then we will add these numbers and we will get the number. Now how we can divide the larger number? So 549. So we will take 3 digits, but 237 is smaller, so we will take these 4 digits. So 549 table, we will multiply by 4, we will get 2196. We will subtract 2196 from 2376. We will get 1800 and we will get 180. Then we will take carry this 5 and it will become 1805. Now we will multiply 549 by 3 and we will get 1647. Why we have not multiplied by 4? Because if we will multiply by 4 we will get 2196 and 2196 is greater than 1805. So as you know very well that which number should be here? This number should be smaller from this number. Then we will subtract 1647 from 1805 and we will get 158. Then we will take carry 4 and the number will be 1584. Now we will multiply 549 by 2. We will get 1098. Then we will subtract 1098 from 1584. We will get 4862. Then we will multiply 549 by 8 and we will get 4392. And what will remain? 417. So this will be the remainder. And what is this? This is the quotient. So easily you can solve. Thank you.